What is the primary function of roots in plants? The answer is absorption of water and nutrients. Which type of plant has the largest leaves? The answer is ferns. What is the process by which plants make their own food called? The answer is photosynthesis. Which plant part carries out photosynthesis? The answer is leaves. What is the term for a group of plants that live together in harmony? The answer is symbiosis. Which type of plant has the most diverse range of species? The answer is flowering plants, angiosperms. What is the term for a plant that grows in water or on land but still needs to be submerged periodically? The answer is aquatic plant. Which type of plant has the ability to move towards light sources? The answer is heliotropic plants. What is the term for a process where plants release water vapor into the air through their leaves? The answer is transpiration. Which type of plant has the ability to make its own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water? The answer is autotrophic plants.
If you enjoyed this quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your score below.